3D printing has come a long way since the first rapid prototyping patent was rejected in 1980. The technology has evolved from basic designs to a wide range of highly customizable objects. Still, there is a big issue. Once objects are printed, they are final. If you need a change, you will need a reprint. But imagine if that were in the case. If, for example, you could change the color of your smartphone case or earring on demand. Researchers from MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory CSAIL have gotten closer to making that a reality. In a new paper, they present ColorFab, a method for repeatedly changing the colors of 3D printed objects after fabrication. Using their own 3D printable ink that changes color when exposed to ultraviolet light, the team can recolor a multicolored object in just over 20 minutes. And they say they expect that number to decrease significantly with future improvements. While the project is currently focused on plastics and other common 3D printing materials, the researchers say that eventually people could instantly change the color of their clothes and other items. Previous color changing systems have been somewhat limited in their capabilities, using single colors and 2D designs. To move beyond single color systems, the team developed a simple hardware-software workflow. First, using the ColorFab interface, users upload their 3D model, pick their desired color patterns, and then print their fully colored object. After printing, changing the multicolored objects involves using ultraviolet light to activate desired colors and visible light to deactivate others. Specifically, the team uses an ultraviolet light to change the pixels on an object from transparent to colored, and a regular office projector to turn them from colored to transparent.